What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing the pneumatic fittings for the new compressor to run the plasma cutter. Needed to buy a regulator because this thing is rated for 175 max PSI and we don't want to blow ourselves up or the plasma cutter, so we need to install a regulator and a nice little shutoff valve. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So we've got our regulator, and this is from a company called Pneumatic Plus off Amazon. I got the steel casing one just in case we ever need to go above 150 PSI. They recommended the metal container as opposed to the polyurethane one. So we'll go ahead and install some of these adapters. We've got our shutoff, and we need some thread tape wherever that went. Okay, so we just take our little thread tape. This is gonna thread to the right, so we wanna actually make sure the tape goes to the right. Nice way to remember which way the tape is supposed to go. I see people mess that up quite frequently. So, should be enough. And we're gonna thread that in on the input side. We're gonna take 11/16, tighten that guy down so that it doesn't explode in our face. And that should prevent us from getting shot in the face. And then same thing with the other one. We're going to the right, so we wrap the thread tape around to the right. If I can just stop sucking for 2 seconds. Perfect. The other thing that goes with this that I probably forgot somewhere. Oh, on the floor. Is little gauge. So once again, same thing. And we just thread that guy in. Tighten it down. We'll just tighten this guy so it's pointing at least upwards. Good. Okay, so before we install this, we need to actually install a little adapter, which comes with the little shutoff, because you can see it's quite large. So it's a 3/4 fitting. So let's get that installed and thread it on there. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, twist. 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 Twist, 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 twist. 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 Yeah, it should be good. All right, time for a little shut off. Twist, 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 twist. All right, so the super nice thing is this is pointing at a wall, so if any of these blows up, it'll just hit the wall and not me. So, bonus feature. Here's the old puny compressor. Central Pneumatic, Harbor Freight, nobody likes you. Good compressor. Bad compressor. All right, hose time. I don't know if you guys can tell, I like shopping at Lowe's. Home Depot is crowded, so I prefer blue things instead of orange things. Blue thing. All right. Let's hook up said blue thing. Come on, Cap. Come in with me. All right. there should be another thing in this box. And indeed there is. Come on, cat, get lost. Oh, no, we need more thread stuff. Oh no! It's the wrong size. Might be the wrong size. Stand by. And we're gonna install this guy here, plasma cutter. Tighten that down. And fun fact, I did this completely wrong. This goes on this guy. I did find out that I need a 1/4 MPT to 3/8 inch MPT adapter. So, puts a slight riff in our plan. We need more tape. All right, yeah. This is now the business end of the deal here. So, that guy on, and within moments, warp speed, time travel. Let's get an adapter ordered. Okay, new day. And after reading the plasma cutter instructions, so as it turns out, yeah, reading instructions can be important. I was going through the manual last night to make sure I had all my ducks in a row, and then I came across this notice that John is an idiot. PTFE tape and clog valves, regulators, and torches. Never use PTFE tape on any joint preparation. Use only a liquid or paste thread sealant on male threads. So I have to go redo everything. Yeah, this is fun. Let's do it. So we're gonna undo everything we just did with the correct tools and put liquid sealant on there instead. So stand by. Untwist, untwist, untwist. Untwist. Unclick. And drop everything. You must unlearn what you have learned. All right, gave everything a really nice clean, and now we have liquid. So we're gonna apply some of this instead. Mix, 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 mix. Like glue, like Elmer's glue. Put this guy back in. Now we tighten. Perfect. And now we'll do that with the rest. All right, we got everything refitted with liquid goo instead of tape. And on this connector as well, it'll go in the back of the plasma cutter. So now we're just waiting for one more part. Fast forward time again. Make sure that it is on the bowl. Pilot holes, because we want to make our life easier. That ain't going nowhere. Hello, little ant. Where are you going? We need more glue. new fitting, 3/8 to 1/4 MPG adapter. Glue that one first. Now we need glue on both sides. Unfortunately, this hose, this is a hose from Lowe's. This retractable hose that I bought. It doesn't have any turning nuts, so we have to thread both sides at the same time, unfortunately, which minor inconvenience, but that's okay. It just means we have to do this to both sides at the same time and twist both sides at the same time. Like I said, that could be improved. Future designs. Not that they'll ever listen to me. Okay, that was harder than it looked. I had to take it off again and actually just twist the whole reel around to make sure I didn't get any kinks in the hose or anything that could also blow up in my face. So, but now it is ready, and it has this nice retractable feature. Nice retractable feature. There we go. Moment of truth. See how we did. Let's fire this guy up. Nah, just kidding. We settled without blowing up around looks like 175-ish. 170, something like that. So let's pressure regulator. Regulate. We need let's go, because my little blower test thingy cannot go above 90, let's go up to 80. Shall we? Camera focus, regulator, regulate, go! Oh no, a little bit of an air leak. I have to tighten that a little bit. No biggie. Let's do that now, actually. Tightened, no more air leak. Let's open her up. Oh, we're already open. Okay. Let's blow air. Let's see. Yep, that's definitely sounds like 80 psi. Verified. All right. Well, I will have to take that part again and untwist the hose because I had to tighten it for the air leak. No big deal, but that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I will be hooking it to the plasma cutter very shortly, and we'll make a whole separate video about that. But this thing, Aces, seems like a great compressor, so should do the job. And we're holding steady, no pressure leaks anywhere. Bumped the regulator up to 120 for the plasma cutter. Should be all good. These get it. See you guys next time.